If you've spent more than 5 minutes researching Amazon FBA, you've probably fallen down the same rabbit hole everyone else does. You start looking for product ideas, and then suddenly you're knee-deep in tutorials, spreadsheets, Chrome extensions, and two names that keep popping up over and over again: Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. And at some point you realize this isn't just about features, it's about which one you're going to trust with your product research, your keyword strategy, and ultimately your money. Today I'm going to walk you through what it's really like using each one, where they shine, where they fall short, and which one I'd personally choose depending on the kind of seller you are. By the end, you're going to know which tool deserves a spot in your workflow and which one might just look better on paper than it does feel in practice. Now that said, let's get into it. So we're going to start with Helium 10. And this is a tool I've been using for a while now, and it's become one of those platforms that I automatically open whenever I'm working on my Amazon business. What I do appreciate most is that everything lives in one place. You're not bouncing between multiple dashboards or trying to piece together different tools. It's organized in a way that lets you move from product research to keyword research to performance tracking without feeling scattered, which makes the whole workflow just smoother. When it comes to finding products, Blackbox is where I spent a lot of time. Instead of scrolling through Amazon hoping something stands out, you can filter by price, demand, competition, whatever fits your criteria. So rather than guessing, you're narrowing things down to products that actually make sense. I've definitely uncovered ideas there that I would have skipped on my own. And once you find something interesting, the X-ray tool inside the Chrome extension gives you a clearer view of what's really happening. You can see estimated revenue, review counts, and sales trends, the numbers that tell you whether a product just looks good on the surface or actually has real potential. Now that added clarity alone has saved me from jumping into products that seemed promising at first, but I didn't hold up once I looked closer at the data. Now, another area where Helium 10 really helps is with optimizing your product listings. They have tools like Scribbles and Listing Builder that make it much easier to create stronger titles, bullet points, and descriptions that are actually optimized for search and written in a way that attracts clicks. So instead of randomly inserting keywords and just hoping for the best, you can be a lot more deliberate with how everything is structured. And then Cerebro and Magnet work especially well together. With Cerebro, you can drop in a competitor's ASIN and instantly see the exact keywords they're ranking for, and that alone gives you a clear picture of what's driving their visibility. Then Magnet expands on that by helping you uncover even more related keywords that shoppers are actively searching for. And when you combine both tools, the entire listing creation process, it feels much more organized, strategic, and honestly, a lot less overwhelming. Now, another feature I found really helpful is the Profits tool. It tracks your sales and breaks everything down: revenue, expenses, profit margins, so you can clearly see how each product is actually performing instead of guessing where your money's going. You get a straightforward view of what's working and what's not. It also makes planning a lot easier, especially when you're trying to decide when to reorder inventory or figure out where you might be overspending. And if you are thinking ahead to seasonal spikes, the Trendsetter tool comes in handy for that. It shows you how demand shifts over time, so you can spot trends early and stock up before things start moving fast. Honestly, having that kind of visibility has saved me from missing out during busy seasons when timing really matters. Now, the automation side of Helium 10 can save you a lot of time. You can set up alerts to track keyword rankings, new reviews, or inventory changes, so you're not constantly logging in just to check what's happening. It runs in the background and keeps you updated, which makes managing everything else feel far less reactive. Then there's Helium 10 Ads, built specifically for Amazon PPC. It handles much of the heavy lifting, like adjusting bids and refining targeting, while still giving you the ability to step in and fine-tune based on your own strategy. So it's not just on autopilot, you still stay in control. Beyond the tools themselves, Helium 10 also provides solid educational support. There are step-by-step tutorials for each feature, along with a private Facebook group where sellers share insights and ask questions. That kind of support can be especially helpful when you are trying to solve something quickly. Overall, Helium 10 is one of the more complete platforms available for Amazon sellers. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up, once it's set up properly, it makes running your FBA business more efficient and gives you the data you need to grow while freeing up time to focus on bigger priorities. So now that we've covered Helium 10, let's move on to Jungle Scout, which has been one of the more established tools in the Amazon space for years. Now, I've used Jungle Scout on a few different projects, and it's one of those platforms that really simplifies the process. It's built to help you move step by step without feeling overwhelmed, while still giving you the data you need to make smart decisions. So Jungle Scout is designed to help you find products that actually have real profit potential. One of its core features is the product database, where you can filter by estimated sales, competition, price, and even profit margins. So instead of wasting hours scrolling through random listings, you're narrowing everything down to products that meet your specific criteria. They also have the Opportunity Finder, which focuses more on identifying niches with strong demand but lower competition. And that can give you a much clearer path forward, especially if you're trying to avoid crowded markets and find something with a better chance of succeeding. Now, when it comes to keyword research, Jungle Scout makes things pretty straightforward with Keyword Scout. It helps you uncover relevant keywords to improve your rankings on Amazon, while also showing you search volume, competition levels, and historical trends. So rather than guessing which keywords to target, you're working with actual data that helps you optimize both your listings and your ad campaigns more effectively. Another tool that I personally found helpful, especially early on, is the supplier database. If sourcing products feels intimidating, this feature really lowers the barrier. You can search for legitimate suppliers, compare pricing, and even see which manufacturers other sellers are working with. Now, that kind of visibility adds confidence and makes it easier to avoid overpaying or choosing the wrong supplier. Now, on the analytics side, Jungle Scout gives you a clear breakdown of your revenue, your profits, and your expenses, including Amazon fees, and that makes it easier to track performance and spot areas where you might be able to cut costs or improve your margins. And if you're running ads, their PPC tools help you create, manage, and optimize your campaigns, so you're getting better results from your ad spend instead of just guessing what's working. For beginners, they also provide helpful tutorials, guides, and access to a private Facebook group where you can connect with other sellers. It's a good space to ask questions, share experiences, and learn from people who are using the same tools. So to sum it up, Jungle Scout is built to simplify the Amazon selling process from start to finish. Whether it's product research, sourcing, or tracking performance, it keeps everything organized in one place. And especially if you're newer to selling, it can make the entire journey feel a lot more manageable. All right, so all of that sounds great, but what does it actually cost? Starting with Jungle Scout, if you're just getting started, their starter plan runs about $30 a month. That gives you the core tools for product and keyword research and lets you track up to 50 products, which is usually enough in the early stages. Now, for most sellers, though, the Growth Accelerator plan at around $50 a month makes more sense, and that's where you start getting features like review automation, listing analyzer, rank tracker, and a full year of historical keyword data. It just gives you more room to grow without immediately jumping into the higher tiers. If you are running a larger operation or managing a team, the Brand Owner Plus Competitive Intelligence plan comes in at just under $130 a month, and that one unlocks deeper market insights, competitor tracking, and allows you to track up to 2,000 products. And for even bigger brands or agencies, they offer an enterprise option called Cobalt with custom pricing. Now, for Helium, they do offer a free plan, which is nice if you just want to explore the dashboard and test a few tools, although access is pretty limited. Their starter plan begins at $99 a month and includes tools like Blackbox for product research, Cerebro for competitor keyword analysis, and Trendster for tracking market trends. So even at the lower tier, you're getting access to some of the core features. Personally, I'd recommend the Platinum plan, which sits about $100 per month. That's where you unlock most of the essential tools for product research, listing optimization, and tracking performance. And if you are operating at a larger scale or need multiple users on the account, the Diamond plan at about $280 per month includes multi-users, access, and more advanced analytics. Now, neither platform offers a traditional free trial, but both provide a 7-day money-back guarantee. So if you do try one and decide it's not the right fit, you can cancel within that first week and get a full refund. And if you do want to give Helium 10 or Jungle Scout a try, then you can check out the affiliate links in the description below. Doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. So look, as helpful as both Helium 10 and Jungle Scout are, neither one is perfect. Like any platform, they each have a few areas where you're going to need a little adjustment period. With Helium 10, the biggest thing for most people is the learning curve. There are a lot of tools packed into one dashboard, and at first it can feel like you're not entirely sure where to begin. Tools like Cerebro and Magnet can seem confusing until you understand how they're meant to work together, but once that connection clicks, it actually starts to feel very logical. And to their credit, they do provide step-by-step tutorials that walk you through everything. So even if it feels overwhelming at the start, it becomes much more manageable pretty quickly. Now, Jungle Scout is generally a bit more straightforward in terms of layout and usability, but if you are completely new to selling on Amazon, there's still going to be a learning phase. You'll need some time to understand how the product research, The keyword tools and the analytics fit together. It's not complicated, but it's also not something you master in a single afternoon. Now that said, once you get past that initial adjustment period with either platform, most sellers find them extremely useful and worth the investment. So when it comes down to it, how do you actually choose between Helium 10 and Jungle Scout? For me, Helium 10 makes the most sense if you want a platform that truly does it all, from in-depth product research and competitor keyword analysis to listing optimization, PPC management, and inventory tracking. It's built for sellers who want to refine and scale. There's simply more under the hood. And if you like having access to advanced tools and deeper data, Helium 10 gives you that flexibility. Jungle Scout, on the other hand, it just feels more streamlined. It focuses on the core essentials and presents them in a way that's easier to grasp, especially early on. So if you are newer to Amazon or prefer a simpler workflow without as many moving parts, Jungle Scout can feel less overwhelming while still delivering solid insights. At the end of the day, it comes down to where you are in your Amazon journey. And if you want something straightforward, Jungle Scout may be the smoother starting point. And if you're ready to dive deeper into optimization and growth, Helium 10 offers more room to expand. Both are very strong platforms. It's just about choosing the one that fits how you want to run your business. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, check the links below for the best deals available right now. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.